Hello everyone, let's discuss SQL Truncate command. Truncate command is used to delete all the rows of the table. Syntax of a truncate command is truncate keyword followed by the name of the table. Let's do the practical. Show databases. Okay, use employee database and let's show the tables. Okay, we have two tables. Let's see what's inside the temp table. Select all from temp 1. So it does not have any records, so let's insert the records. Okay, semicolon, and first record has been inserted. You can see here. Let's insert the second record, which is primary key ID is 2 and second record is Ali. You can also add third record and you will give the other name Tosif. Okay, you can also add other record. Now there are 4 records. Sajjad. Okay, now let's see how many records are there in temp table. There are 4 records in a table, so let's apply the truncate table. Truncate command states that it will remove all the rows from the table. This row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So it will delete all the records, all the rows. Okay, let's try. Truncate and followed by the table name. The table name is temp1. So now let's press enter. You can see that query 4 rows affected. So let's now again select all columns from temp1. When you execute this query, you will find that there is no column no records inside the temp1. As before, when you apply select all from temp1, you find there are 4 records are there. Then after we have applied the truncate command, truncate query, the truncate query will remove all the records from the table. So when we again search is there any record in temp1, it says that there is no any record, empty set. So this is how truncate will work. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.